Yo, we need someone to look if there's a shark. Uh, uh, I can spawn someone. We need another person because that guy just died. Yo, I just yo, um, I'm here. I spawned. And why is there blood around? But okay. Yep. Let me just start the boat. No, it's not like that. Yep. The boat is slowly moving. I think someone has to fish. I I don't know, but we ain't finding right now fish. But okay. I put it auto fish on. So it has to be fishing alone. Look if there's a megalodon or a shark. Shark! Shark! It might just be trash. Yeah, it just might be trash. Okay, shark! Megalodon! No! Megalodon is coming for us. No! The shark ate 1.5 person. The boat is sinking. Ah! I'm the only one left. The Megalodon is right now a bit busy. The Megalodon just destroyed that boat. It's so good to be in a Titanic. I think the captain allowed us to jump into the water because there's a ladder somewhere, but I don't know. Why is there fins? I think that's someone. Let me just swim down. Ah! Ah! No! The shark! Did you hear that scream? Yes, I heard that. I gotta run. It might be a shark. Or even a megalodon. Oh, that a megalodon. No, megalodons can jump. That's the worst thing. Someone's head got ripped off. That was a megalodon. Guys, we gotta. Captain, you gotta swim. Did you guys saw that? Yes, we saw that. Captain, run! Or else he's gonna go under us and break the Titanic. Well, the captain said, even though he breaks something, it does not mean it sinks because there's many places that can be broken, but it cannot sink because it's an unsinkable ship. That's good. I hope they're not lying. Because if he just breaks something that makes the ship... Wait, when... Is that the Titanic? Because I saw in the movie... But... Guys, we might not die. We just might. Let's just hope we don't die. No, don't tell me. It's just bro. No! Everybody! Swim! It's right now night, so it might not be possible to swim. Ah! 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 No! No. They just lied to us. At least we're at the other side from the Megalodon. So many people just died. No. Are they kidding right now? No, they have to be. No. No, the Megalodon is coming. That's... No! Don't kill us! Let me put some in my mouth. Yep, the food comes in my mouth. Hmm. Do, 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 do. There is one survivor. Did I smell some food? Oh, bro is cooked. Now I'm coming for you. No, the Megalodon again. No, the Megalodon ate every human from two boats. These two boats were actually the most famous place to go on. The Titanic is the most place that's famous. Everywhere there's blood and they're sinking right now. And the Megalodon had many food to eat. That's the end. So, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.